Vinyl window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Custom vinyl windows Fayetteville are designed to fit any home style, providing both functionality and beauty. With energy-efficient windows Fayetteville, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort throughout the year, especially when they choose from our wide selection of vinyl windows Fayetteville families trust. Window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our window contractors Fayetteville, Arkansas specialize in providing affordable window solutions that meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for double-hung windows Fayetteville or other styles, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results, including professional installation of vinyl windows Fayetteville homeowners prefer. For those seeking window installation services Fayetteville, our team offers comprehensive solutions to address any issues. From window glass installation Fayetteville, Arkansas to window sealing Fayetteville, Arkansas, we ensure your windows are in top condition. Our residential window services Fayetteville are designed to enhance the longevity and performance of your windows, with options like vinyl windows Fayetteville residents rely on for durability and beauty. Vinyl window frames Fayetteville, Arkansas are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl window maintenance Fayetteville is simple and cost-effective, making it a popular choice among homeowners. With vinyl window styles Fayetteville, you can choose from a variety of options to match your home's design, and our vinyl windows Fayetteville selections make it easy to find the perfect fit. Window design Fayetteville, Arkansas is an important aspect of any home renovation project. Our window installation experts Fayetteville provide guidance on selecting the right window design options to complement your home's architecture. From window hardware Fayetteville, Arkansas to window cleaning Fayetteville, Arkansas, we offer a full range of services to keep your windows looking and functioning their best, especially our stylish vinyl windows Fayetteville clients love. Vinyl window benefits Fayetteville include enhanced window energy savings Fayetteville and improved window noise reduction Fayetteville, Arkansas. These features contribute to a more comfortable and quiet living environment. Additionally, window UV protection Fayetteville, Arkansas helps safeguard your interiors from harmful sun exposure, especially when installed with our high-performance vinyl windows Fayetteville options. Window installation Fayetteville is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window glass installation Fayetteville, Arkansas services address any damage or wear, ensuring your windows remain in excellent condition. With our residential window services Fayetteville, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are well cared for, especially with vinyl windows Fayetteville offering long-term reliability. Looking for top-notch vinyl window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas? Our window installation experts in Fayetteville provide energy-efficient windows and custom vinyl windows tailored to your needs. With a focus on window energy savings and window noise reduction, our services ensure your home is both comfortable and cost-effective. Choose from a variety of vinyl window styles and window design options to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, including premium vinyl windows Fayetteville property owners recommend. Our window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offer affordable window solutions for homeowners seeking to upgrade their windows. Whether you need double-hung windows or vinyl window frames, our window contractors in Fayetteville, Arkansas are ready to assist. We specialize in home window upgrades and vinyl window maintenance, ensuring your windows remain in top condition for years to come with quality vinyl windows Fayetteville choices. For those in need of window installation services in Fayetteville, our team provides comprehensive window glass installation and window sealing services. We understand the importance of window insulation and window weatherproofing, especially in the Fayetteville climate. Our residential window services include window UV protection and window hardware installation to keep your home safe and secure, with reliable vinyl windows Fayetteville homeowners trust for year-round protection. Vinyl windows Fayetteville, Arkansas are known for their durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl window benefits include enhanced window energy savings and reduced noise pollution. With our window cleaning services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, your windows will always look pristine. Trust our window contractors Fayetteville, Arkansas for all your window needs, from installation to maintenance, including our full range of vinyl windows Fayetteville customers appreciate. Custom vinyl windows Fayetteville are designed to fit your specific requirements. Our window design Fayetteville, Arkansas options allow you to choose the perfect style for your home. Whether you're interested in double-hung windows Fayetteville or other vinyl window styles Fayetteville, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our window installation experts Fayetteville ensure a seamless process from start to finish, especially for vinyl windows Fayetteville upgrades. Window installation Fayetteville services are essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our window glass installation Fayetteville, Arkansas and window sealing Fayetteville, Arkansas services address any issues promptly. We also offer window insulation Fayetteville to improve your home's energy efficiency. With our window cleaning Fayetteville, Arkansas services, your windows will remain spotless and clear, including your new vinyl windows Fayetteville features. Vinyl window frames Fayetteville, Arkansas provide a sleek and modern look for any home. Our affordable windows Fayetteville options make it easy to upgrade without breaking the bank. Trust our window contractors Fayetteville, Arkansas for reliable and professional service. From window hardware Fayetteville, Arkansas to window UV protection Fayetteville, Arkansas, we cover all aspects of window care, especially for vinyl windows Fayetteville properties. Energy-efficient windows Fayetteville are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our window replacement Fayetteville, Arkansas services ensure you receive the best products and installation. With our home window upgrades Fayetteville, you can enjoy improved comfort and reduced energy bills. Our vinyl window maintenance Fayetteville services keep your windows functioning optimally, particularly for vinyl windows Fayetteville residents choose for long-term savings. Window noise reduction in Fayetteville, Arkansas is crucial for a peaceful home environment. Our window weatherproofing services protect against the elements, ensuring your windows last longer. Vinyl window benefits Fayetteville include low maintenance and high performance. Choose our window installation experts Fayetteville for quality service and exceptional results, especially when it comes to installing vinyl windows Fayetteville families rely on.